Krzysztof, on the count of 3, let's warm up our speech apparatus, all right? The summer episodes continue, which means that every slacker from our company is on vacation and only 3 titans are at work. Beautiful Roman, Krzysztof, and me. Meanwhile, Karol is barely staying awake at his desk. Before their vacation, they got a no-limit card for 20 zlotys, shopped at Action, bought gadgets, and now Krzysiu and I will decide if they're crap. First gadget, toiletry bag. Here it is. Okay, that's clear. Fridge. Wait, there's a small pocket. Anything else, Cole? No. Cooler bag, 19 liters. There's simply nothing else written. It's nice. If it does its job and costs 19 zlotys, I'm in. You were off by 1 zloty. Well done, Krzysiaczku. Yes, 20 zlotys. A bag is always useful for vacation. Or maybe let's see how many beers fit in. Those little cans. Well, we can, sure. You know what, Marcin? You said you didn't have any coffee, so I'm coming to the rescue. Wait, I can already see 3 and 5. Hold on. 15. 4 won't fit. That's a shame. 15. That's 3 by 5. Will you hand them over? Yes. Their colors are great. I like them, especially for the beach. You have a party, and that's what matters since you can take 3, 15, or 16 beers to the beach. Sounds like a good party. 16 beers. If you go as a pair, you're set. And what's really cool, you have to appreciate it. There are no signs here like outfits or action. Pushy ads. Without a brand, it's just aesthetic. Let's continue. This is the first summer one. I'm curious what's next. I'm pulling one out, Krzysiu. I can't see, but the colors are different. That doesn't matter to me. This one, the pin, heavy. Embossing stamp set, 10 shapes in a case. I want the heart one. Okay, we'll use it. 22 zlotys. Oh, damn. Hey, good price. We have an envelope, right? Beautiful Roman. Slide it in by the corner. Into the hole. We press it. Hey, beautiful. Such a card. It's a bit crumpled. You crumpled it. I answered you. I'm ruining the card. Show me. Did we put it in wrong? No, it's fine. Show me Delfina. No. 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 No, now you're doing it with a thicker paper. Look, you put it here, look. Now it's nice. Okay, we take it back. We're sorry. Very nice. 21 zlotys. Worth it, in my opinion. Great toy for kids, even if just for 30 seconds. Packaging is nice. Heavy. This plastic isn't exactly cheap. We've paid 40 zlotys for 2 gadgets so far. That's great. Well, the guys fit in. For now, they're hanging around 2 booths. I'm moving on. I think there's still something. I see smaller and smaller things, Maciek. Yeah, still something for travelers. And attention. World travel adapter. There's the European Union. This is some kind of mix, I think. No, this is England. United Kingdom, sorry, right? The whole world in one adapter. Listen, there's Europe, United Kingdom, United States of America, Japan, Australia, China, Switzerland, Italy, Brazil, Shuko. What is Shuko? Well, you'll find Shuko. Shuko doesn't get lost, you can check it out. It's written in over 220 locations worldwide. Wait, I'm setting 50, 34.99. It's not bad here. 1 adapter works for everything. No rush, it's vacation. A handy thing, a vacation handy thing, right? I think it'll be needed. A transparent bowl with water, I'll take care of it. Have you already set up the pools? Because it's pouring nonstop. So, waterproof LED lights, multicolored. Each one has 3 AA batteries. Remote control. Oh, damn. The remote control works up to 3 meters, but be careful, 30 centimeters in water. If you throw it in water, you can't change the color with the remote since you'd need to see it through 1.2 meters of water. I'm really curious about this. Because I actually, electricity and water don't mix, but since it's battery powered, I'm not worried. But I think there's some double-sided tape here or something, and you could even stick it on a car, you know, under the car. Let's turn off the light. Hey, wow. Hey, this is great for romantic pools, but it's really bright. It'll look better in the water. Awesome. It would just have to be deeper, right? Yeah, and darker, but I think it's cool. No, really cool. I'd use it for something else, you know? Exactly. Hey, I would clean it with antibacterial soap. Yeah. I'd clean it thoroughly and toss it into the punch below. Party style. Hey, awesome. You know what I mean? All right, I think it's cool. We'll see how long it glows. Well, anyway, it has to cost something. Yeah, because that's how it is with water. A pool, yeah? So if someone has a pool, they have money. 2 more, 43 zloty. Yeah, great. 22 zloty. Yeah. Great, for the Jacuzzi, 43 gets you 2 packages. Useful for kids, useful, cool. Let's move on. I have something that I asked Kuba if we have it at the company, and I didn't know it was from this episode. He said we have it at the company, and he lent it to me for the weekend, but I didn't know what you had for the weekend. I want to see it too. This, I know what it is. Listen, is it a kayak? It's a kayak. I borrowed it for the weekend. Is it really a kayak? No, yes. It's a Frojak, not a kayak. Listen, this is a mattress. It's great. I dragged it from Exon with 2 holes I couldn't patch, so I didn't use it. Only the kids got it dirty and I folded it. Here's this fuzz. Yeah, and is there a hole under the fuzz? No. And these patches, look, these are the patches. See? Do you see this? They won't stick to the fuzz. Yeah, they're bad. Do you see this hole? Of course I do. It's huge. And it goes all the way through, so it was pierced by something, and there's the same one at the bottom. Now pay attention. What's in this mattress? A pump. Look at this. Beautiful topic. And you invite someone over and man, you don't do anything. I'll just tell you one thing, because I have one concern. Yeah, because I think I once slept on this, and those Frojaki, they're cool because they're affordable and all that, but I think they rustle a lot. When you turn to your side, it's really loud. I don't know if it's because of the sheet. Just the thought. Oh no, I meant on this. Doesn't a sheet creak less? Our viewers and commenters are a valuable resource for others. Please help us. If you have these mattresses, do they hold air or creak? If you have this bag or these lamps, comment below. Let's help others by turning comments into product reviews, making it easier for everyone to find something useful. The pump inflates and deflates. I'll start the stopwatch to see how long it takes. I'm curious. There's no plug. You just stop pumping and that's it. Hey, look, even the mattresses are unfolded. Yeah. Technologically? Yeah. Mattresses are advancing while we're stuck on the couch. I think we're going to be shocked. How much do you have? 1 minute 29. No, that's it already. Okay, and... looking for the board. Oh, that's cool. Pretty good, right? Hey, quiet one. Try to do it like when it rustled back then, the forehead. Wait, I'm getting dressed. I'm sleeping, and I'm doing... You can't hear anything. You can't hear anything, right? No, it's cool, really cool, nice, yeah. Hey, it's awesome, isn't it? Hey, it's great, and with 2 people, really? Yeah. And now watch this, Christoph. I'm watching. Thanks. Hey, I'm sinking. Pass. Ah, hey, quicksand. Here I am, eh? There's a maximum weight limit of 200 kilos here. Hey, we're slightly over. Very nice mattress. That's it, I can hear it. It's already vacuum sealed, right? 225 mattress sucked. We put it away, pump inside. Brilliant. It's a pity it's got a hole, but it's brilliant. The price? Well, it's definitely going to be expensive because with the pump, that's the Gadget, I think. The one for $129 or maybe even $200. $189. Yeah, worth it. Damn. Well, I would treat it as an alternative bed. Kind of, right? When guests come over and have nowhere to sleep, then boom, I'll tell you, I don't know. Damn, I'm lost with these prices. Is $200 a lot for a mattress? God, please. I'll pay half. Great! This game reminds me of Italy because of the Italians at the campsite. For me, it brings up Croatia. Really? Yeah.
What do you call it, Bulle? I say buccia. Buccia?
No, buccia, what's it called? Buccia bull. Really? I've never played it. I don't know the rules, but I watch them play. Let's go. It's raining, but in the last episode of Action. We made a bowling alley and for Buccio Bully. Come on in. How beautiful. No way. It survived. It's still standing. Watch the previous episode for a review. This one is mine. What do you mean? About the pattern. Hey, wow, you can't go wrong. Great. And how did you want to count the points? Well, so I can remember which one is mine. I don't believe it. They thought about it in the packaging. Well, look, they gave 2 like this and these like that. What a bummer. All right, fine. Just remember which one is yours, okay? So the rule is it's the closest one. How close? That's your score. Wait, they throw like this, not that. Hey, you did well. Ooh. Marcin! Krzysztof. Whoa, applause. I guess let's move on. Bravo. Now the stick is useful. So what now? That's it. No. That was mine, right? Yes, I'm closer, so I get 1 point. Let's keep playing. Hey, right in the same spot. Spot, no. Whoa, but Krzysztof, bravo. No, that's not close. You'll get it closer now. Ah. One at a time. Play this game, just remember one thing. Check in the store, because it might be a coincidence that the patterns were in, that something is mixed up. Of course, you can spray it a little, but it will immediately start to make your paint. Leave marks on your hands. Listen, buy 2 sets. Playing with 6 balls each is much better. It's fun. You have your case and I have mine. Maybe we should mention the goals here too. Not me. In rainy weather. Wait, this, I think it might be expensive. 60? No, 49's Lotus. I'd pay that. And you 60? It's heavy, so I'm guessing. Heavy! 60, 56 Lotus, 57. We were close. Just count it. That's what it's worth. 9's Lotus per scoop plus packaging. No, it's really great. Ow. 5 ways to use an air fryer, extra large. 8 preset programs. Hey, you can put it in the dishwasher. It has a 3-year warranty. It has German tube certification. So what are we going to eat? You know what? How are we testing this? I don't know. Okay, let's start at the end because I have a feeling it's going to mess up our timing. This could get really expensive. Kuba has a 2,750 watt Philips with a 1.3 liter capacity and is very happy with it. Hey, it looks nice here. Yeah, really. But there's a problem. You know, you can't find it anywhere. How many motors? Yeah. Max is 1,300, but the optimum is 850. I'll tell you, just like in Bond, you never know where to open it. There it is. It's cool. What's about to light up? I'm starting it. Yeah. Wow! One button looks nice, but the warning beeped. Good. I was worried. It's hard to insert. No, it's working. Today is washer safe, so you know. You put this in here, you put that in there. Wings, steak, fries. Shrimp. Cookies, fish. Egg, cake, menu. No, like this. We set it. 20 degrees. Yes. We set it up. The menu changes. Yes, it's simple. Everything's clear. Right. Time. You can increase the time. Okay. We can also increase the temperature. That's it. No more philosophy. Listen, the only thing we found is Tarzinski. 95% meat Silesian. Well, it looks good. Krzysztof, I'll just listen. May 16th, 2023. Let's thank each other, but I have something else. Oh! Pierogi. If you have that air fryer, and I suspect there are people who do since it's lighter, say if it's worth it. We'll slowly make pierogi, then move on and try them later. The air fryer is expensive, $259. I'm not sure if that's the real price. $259. Okay, how much for the air fryer? 700 zlotys, but I suspect that Kuba bought it already sold out. If he gave 600 or 700 and has iPhones, then it costs 400. This air fryer seems good. I guess 299, then 249, then 200 zlotys. Wow. I think he's giving it for a nice air fryer. Hey, it doesn't look bad. No way. And I don't know if I didn't notice it or if it doesn't have any logo on the front. Great. It fits in the kitchen and will be useful for our episodes. Watch 5 air fryer dish ideas. We have great dishes there and we'll make some too, right? It's cool we're using an Action air fryer. We can compare them. And if you're looking for great recipes, don't forget about the book. In fact, this is the 2nd time we're mentioning it. Are you putting it down below? Of course. And of course. So what now? Shall we keep going? That's right. And we'll get back to those dumplings. Krzysztof, I've always wanted to have this. Now we have it. Now we have it together, but on the app. But I have that app because I use it. Oh, and is it one app for everything? That's great. Well, that's good. I use the camera, but I already have it. I have it. Yes, it gives you this warm light. It gives you this ambient lighting, easy connection to Wi-Fi networks, color and brightness change, or scenario settings, time schedule, voice control and support through Alexa, and the Google system. I clicked on music and it's blinking, probably pairing mode. I have the LSC app and a lamp from them, plus an LSC floodlight in the garden. An outdoor one. And it does the job because I have it set not for the terrace, but for the grass. Hey, nice, the glow. If you set it to blue, you get a blue shade, but it can't be too bright. Add device, that's it.
Found it for the first time?
Yeah, the password? No damn. I've worked here 4 years. Of course I found the network password quickly. Great. But something, it takes it off for you. Hey, for the first time, I can actually praise this equipment. A few moments later, The signal's already bad. All right, Should I click the melody again? Yes, reset the device. See, viewers, that's exactly the problem. I praised it. All right, and now it will stop. Oh, now suddenly they're showing a different bulb. No, it's the same as always. Hey, the air fryer can make pierogi for us. No. No, throw it away because it's really starting to annoy me. Seriously, I wouldn't even plug it in anymore. I just put it back in the cabinet. We need to put it away. Like with Sebastian, you'll understand. We have to plug it in. Here's my phone. Go ahead. 15 minutes later. These dumplings are good. They're awesome with this, right? While waiting for that one. So, come on, Krishishu. Try one more. But you can even eat them before Netflix because they're not, from the frying pan or anything. They're a snack. You know what I mean? Yeah. I don't feel positively about her anymore. It only lasts about 20 minutes. I admit this to the team sometimes. You already know what it's for. Here you go. Applause. Let's go. The app looks nice. All right, we have the app. Maybe turn off the lights and see what happens. To the music. Now it's on sound. Now I choose blinding, for example. Maybe there is, it's certain. But it's a weak lamp. Well, because it's just one that gives mood, just like that. Like when you're going to sleep, right? It's like that. Hey, you put it in your bedroom and set it to wake you up with, a sunrise mode, right? Yeah. Yeah, forest, sunflower, exactly. We turn on a floodlight. Yeah, maybe it's just so atmospheric. Like Markson says, you put it in, set it up, and yeah. On Sunday, it either puts you to sleep or wakes you up. Max 20 zlotys, right? But he handled her. 45. If you admit and know that you use her in certain situations, okay? For me, 44 zlotys at this moment, after all the trouble I had with her, connecting and so on, it's not worth it. But like I said, that's just my opinion. I'd buy a pierogi for that. Here's the thing. The air fryer made frozen pierogi into chips in 20 minutes. It's definitely powerful. And it's time to choose 3 things. Great. If it was leaky, that's not the manufacturer's fault. They don't sell leaky items. Someone here returned it. The air fryer looks cool. Classic. The third thing is shoes, which is always fun since it involves others. I enjoy being with people. You play together. Just when you toss, don't throw too hard and so on and so on. That's very important. And contrary to appearances. I don't know why, but I'm charmed. I buy it because of the price. It looks nice, holds 20 beers, and it's even cool for kids. The party's starting. It's cool. Thanks for the episode. Visit our website. There's a book there that we worked really hard on so you could get it. See you for now. Take care. Thanks. Until today. Bye.